how to reset password of Adobe account. Hey everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel. And on today's quick tutorial, I will show you how we can reset or change Adobe account password in just few steps. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser in your device. After that, head towards the search bar and there type in account.adobe.com. Then that's gonna take you to this kind of interface, and make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you're logged in, as you can see on your left hand side, there in this sidebar is an option to change your password here. So click on this link here. That's gonna take you to a different page. So in order to change your password, you have to enter your current password. So type in your current password, then tap on continue. If your current password is correct, and on the next step, you'll be able to change your password. Type in your new password, confirm it, and then click on save. Then your password will be saved. Then you can log in with your new password. And that's it. Now you know how to reset or change your Adobe password. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment below and see you on the next video.